How much should you actually spend on a magnetic car phone mount? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, MirrorCase MagSafe Car Mount. First up is the MirrorCase for MagSafe Car Mount, priced at $19.79. What caught my attention is its impressive grip, claiming to hold up to 89 pounds thanks to its vacuum lock technology. If you want a mount that stays put through bumpy roads, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a robust design with 20 and 55 magnets, ensuring that even heavy phones like the iPhone 17 Pro Max stay securely attached. The 360 degrees rotation allows for instant switching between portrait and landscape modes, which is essential for navigation. Plus, it can withstand extreme temperatures from -20 degrees F to 200 degrees F, making it reliable in various climates. With over 42,700 reviews, it holds a solid 4.3-star rating, and more than 8,000 have been purchased in the past month. Now, some people complained about the setup being a bit tricky on certain surfaces. Here's the thing though, as long as you're installing it on a flat surface, it should work fine. If you have an uneven dashboard, it might not hold as well. This is perfect for you if you often drive on rough roads or need a reliable mount for your smartphone. Skip this one if you want a more straightforward design without the extensive features. For the price, it's a solid investment for safety and convenience. Now, if MirrorCase's setup bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, LISEN MagSafe Car Mount. Next up is the LISEN for MagSafe Car Mount, which comes at a budget-friendly $16.93. This one stood out because of its powerful suction cup and enhanced magnetic hold. If stability is your top concern, you'll want to hear about this. The LISEN mount boasts a 6-layer suction cup that delivers 100% stronger grip than standard mounts. It holds up to 89 pounds and is built to stay solid on all types of vehicles, including SUVs and trucks. The magnetic force is impressive too, rated at 2,400 GF, ensuring that your phone remains securely attached during sharp turns or sudden stops. Plus, it includes a metal ring for non-MagSafe devices. With over 3,600 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's gained a lot of traction recently. Here's the thing though, if you want the mount to work with non-MagSafe phones, that's just the price to pay. It's a minor inconvenience for the stability you get in return. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. Skip this one if you prefer a more minimalist look without extra accessories. For the price, this is a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for frequent drivers. Product number 3, MirrorCase Air Vent Phone Holder. The third product is another from MirrorCase, this time their air vent phone holder for $14.39. I was really impressed by its strong magnetic stability. If you're worried about your phone falling off during a drive, pay attention. Equipped with 20 high-performance and 55 magnets, this car mount ensures a strong hold even on bumpy roads. The quiet 360 degrees adjustment allows for a perfect viewing angle, which is super handy. Its compatibility with most phones and vehicles makes it a versatile choice too, with over 12,100 reviews and a 4.4-star rating. Now, some people found it doesn't fit all air vents perfectly. Here's the thing though, if you have standard vents, it should work just fine. You might want to check your specific vehicle's vent type first. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable holder that won't block your view. Skip this one if you have uniquely shaped vents that may not accommodate it. For the price, it offers great value for a stable and safe driving experience. Now, if you're looking for charging capabilities, you might want to stick around for our next product. Product number 4, LISEN MagSafe Wireless Charger. The fourth product is the LISEN for 15W MagSafe Car Mount Charger, priced at $15.99. This one caught my eye because it combines a phone holder and a wireless charger in one. If you want to keep your phone charged while driving, this is a must-see. With a 15W wireless charging capability, this mount automatically charges your phone as soon as you place it on the holder. It's designed for both dashboard and vent mounting, which gives you flexible options for installation. The magnetic strength is notable, rated at 3,800 GF, and can hold multiple phones without any wobbling. The LED light ring adds a nice touch for night visibility. With over 6,500 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's making waves in the market. Here's the thing, if you're using a thick case, it might not charge as efficiently. A MagSafe case or a slim magnetic case is recommended. This is perfect for you if you drive a lot and need your phone charged on the go. Skip this one if you're not a fan of wireless charging or have a heavy case. For the price, it's a clever 2-in-1 solution. If you're looking for something simpler without the charging feature, then this last option is right up your alley. Product number 5, Keistel MagSafe Car Mount. Finally, we have the Keistel for MagSafe Car Mount priced at just $9.99. This caught my attention due to its compact design and strong magnetic hold. If you want something simple yet effective, this might be the one for you. This mount is designed specifically for MagSafe devices, which means you can attach your iPhone directly without additional metal plates. It boasts a strong adhesive base that sticks securely to your dashboard and can handle bumps and turns without dropping your phone. Plus, it has a 360 degrees rotation for the best viewing angle. It has over 30,300 reviews and maintains a 4.4-star rating, which speaks volumes. Now, some people mention that the adhesive can lose grip over time. Here's the thing though, as long as you clean the surface properly before installation, it should hold up well. Just make sure you follow the instructions. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and straightforward magnetic mount. Skip this one if you prefer a more elaborate design with multiple features. For the price, it's hard to beat. Alright, now that you've heard about all 5 options. To wrap it all up, we've looked at the mirror case for MagSafe, the LISEN MagSafe, the mirror case air vent holder, the LISEN wireless charger, and the Keistel mount. Each has its unique strengths, from heavy-duty mounts to wireless charging convenience. Depending on your needs, there's definitely a solid option here for everyone. Happy driving!